Alright, we'll start with the bathroom here at the Luxor Hotel, 10th floor. Lighting fixtures, spotlights above the mirror, one sink, nice square sink with a nice fixture there, lots of towels. Special body lotions and soaps here, which will go home as souvenirs for the ladies at home. At least maybe. Look at the shower head in here. The shower head is pretty cool. Did you see the shower head, Doug?
Yeah.
It's square.
Oh wow.
And does this actually close? This actually closes. They didn't have a closing shower at the Stratosphere. Basic shower and tub combo, but you know, looks very clean, very clean. Not a bit of mold or bad caulking or anything on here. This is really nice. It has a ceiling fan, which is good. And let's go outside to the main entryway of the room. You come in from here, and the room looks huge. I mean, this is absolutely huge compared to some of the other rooms we've stayed in this week. Textured ceiling, smoke alarm, emergency siren, sprinkler system, digital thermostat, some really nice wall art here. We've got a print pattern on the wall above the beds, 2 queen-size beds with massive headboards, a lamp between them with a table. What else we got? Desk with a lamp and a chair, 2 nice cozy chairs to sit down in with a table in between those, a very large vanity for your coats and items. Okay. And it's lighted. Look at that. It's got a light inside. Ironing board and iron. Very, very nice. A laundry bag, hangers. No refrigerator. There was a compartment there where there had to be refrigerators at one time, and now there is no refrigerator. And there's 3 drawers that pull out. A modest size Samsung TV. And something down here. Power plugs, right? Mm-hmm. The other thing that's really cool here, we're actually on the pyramid facing the airport and the Sphinx and the obelisks out front. The arrival corridor is right down there. Right next to Mandalay Bay on that side. And Jim Grand over there, that green one?
Yes.
There goes the monorail. We're right on the monorail loop here. Sadly, it's a very short monorail. Only has 3 stops: Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. There is another monorail system on the other side of the strip, behind the hotels over there, but that runs all the way down to the convention center. The downside is it's a long walk to cross over the strip and get behind the hotels to get to it. Another view to check out just outside our door. It smells really good in here too. There's a nice smell. We're here, and look at this. We are in the pyramid lobby. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? There's bars and restaurants all around us. I mean, all around us. No casino noise from here where we're at. We've got just all kinds of architectural features that make it look really cool. Lots of entertainment options here at the Luxor. They have Carrot Top in residence, and who else is here? Blue Man, is that here? Blue Man Group, is that here? And
America's Got Talent, I believe.
And a burlesque show, America's Got Talent. Several different entertainment options here at the Luxor. And some people complained online it was looking really old, but I tell you, I don't feel it. I feel like it's a really nice place. And that smell is making me hungry. I don't know what they're cooking, but something's making me hungry.